Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover Mana coin, and you can see Mana is just down about a little bit, but nothing to worry because it's just going according to the plan. Because what we could do, let's go in the weekly time frame. Never mind, in the daily time frame, we could just adjust this right over here. Okay. The reason we can adjust it because you can see that Mana coin is still in this channel formation. Okay. You can see right over here, Mana, whenever it got out of the channel, it started pumping towards the upside, okay? And you can see the resistance came right around these areas over here. So ManaCon is still in this pattern, and I told you that you could just take a Fibonacci level and measure Mana's movement accordingly. At the moment, a lot of coins are doing this, so I just want to point it out for Decentraland as well. It is fighting with the 0.618 level. Okay, this is the golden ratio, and just to understand the golden ratio, you have to look at the area of support and resistance. Look, we had support here, we got resistance here, we had support here. Whenever we broke it, we sailed towards the downside, and then support, so much support and resistance went around this area. So this is a very significant area for Mana. Okay, now if you just take, I mean, if you break this, either today or tomorrow or this coming week, Mana will go and hit the zero point 0.5 level at $3.18. I have already told you that in my previous video. And now, if you just take this off, okay, and you analyze something with Mana, that we also have this right over here. I explained you this as well. This resistance area. Okay, right over here, and it is very similar to sand coin. Actually, we had this. Let's just take this one off. This is more easy to understand. Right over here, we had this Fibonacci level. We are battling the zero point 0.5 level as 0.618 level. See, when we go up, we will battle this resistance as well. Okay, now Uh, I want you to just focus on this. The reason we will go up and hit this resistance level is because, when Mana was coming down, Sand coin actually did exactly the same. We made this left shoulder, we made this head formation, and now I believe we are either trying to make this formation over here, okay? So this is basically the you could also bring this resistance line, support line, and place it right over here. Right over here, and this will make perfect sense to you. Mana didn't break the left shoulder, so the price came and held at the 0.786 level. Okay, so now if we make this pattern over here, you could just measure the movement. If you break the zero point 0.5 level and close the candle above it, either a daily or a weekly candle, I would go with the weekly with this one. It's more confirmation that you can get. You could just place this right over here whenever the breakout happens, and you can see it is touching right exactly at the all-time high at $5.87. Okay, now because we know the falling wedges targets are always at the top of the wedge, and now there is a bullish pattern within the wedge. This is what I'm trying to portray here, because we have a bullish pattern in this wedge, and whenever this breakout happens, we get above the 0.618 level and go and break this resistance line or the neckline for this inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is going to be a target, and $5.87. But again, this is the long-term target in my viewpoint. Let me just take this off really quickly. Yeah, this is going to be the long-term target, but the short-term target for but I just wanted to point this out that we are making a bullish pattern, but the short-term target is this. You break this 0.618, $3.18 is going to be a target level. Now, even if you leave this over here, I can show you something else as well, and you go back in history, go to the weekly time frame and just do this. You can just take a Fibonacci and just measure this. Okay, come back, just take this off. Okay, you can see how beautifully Mana has respected this Fibonacci level as well, because you are playing in between the 1 level and 1.272 level. This whole pattern is playing in between these two levels like a ping pong. You know, it goes to one level, it gets a bounce from here. Okay, so now whenever it breaks, it will go and try to hit the 1.272 level, this all-time high over here. Okay, now if you're able to break this, then you will go to the next level, the 1.414 level. But this is a big if once we break it. But again, like I've told you in my previous videos, Mana is playing in this beautiful pattern. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Okay, now if you just look at the Fibonacci and just measure this move right over here, okay, you can see goes up, hits the 0.618 level, comes back to support at 0.5 level, then goes up. It hit the 1 level, came down, got support at the 0.618 level. This was the beautiful indication that it is still gonna move towards the upside, and the higher low formation was still being formed. Okay, went up, hit the 1.272 level, came down to the 1 level. Now this next move can be a huge move, but again, let's take it step by step. uh, the next level is $3.18, and the inverse head and shoulder target is at its all-time high for this falling wedge. Okay, I hope this brought you some information. And if you like this kind of videos for Mana Decentraland, kindly hit the like button, because your likes are telling me you want me to keep making these kind of videos. And when I see those likes, that's a confirmation I need to make a video for Mana. And that's it, guys. Subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.